Welcome back to my channel. I have Ryan. Everyone's seen Ryan.
Hello.
Intake, air filter. I'm going to replace the air filter, which I haven't actually replaced, from here, and I need to take this actually completely apart and put this one in.
Cool blood in chaliced hands, to the dregs towards the end. Hard iron on top, the sun and the moon for rising sun.
It's out. Right, I wonder how filthy dirty it is, so I've got to now undo all these screws here. It's proper dirty. Look at all the gunk in that. Let's put the new one in. Okay, so all done. Got the new filter in here. I've just got to put it all back. Just a simple back into the slot, really. Job done. Right, so here you can wash these, re-oil them, so I might do that, just have it as a spare, just in case, never know. So job done.